He's not going to be holding back the scales. He can do whatever you like, Hayden. Don't reach the grass. Don't reach the grass. It's the only thing he's not allowed to do.
How about you make some
noise? Sorry, Alex. I think I told him the opposite.
You said he could wreck the grass.
I said that he could wreck the grass.
I don't think he should be wrecking the grass.
Okay, well, it's too late to tell him.
It's taken us weeks to get the grass.
He has no comms.
He'll be able to hear you, folks. Let's react. Let's make a bit of noise. It looks like he's going to simulate the start of the rally stage. Put your hands together. Here you go. We're engine.
Is Y20 AP4 rally car built right here in New Zealand, but as we stand, as he knows, he's going to the So in this configuration, the i20 has over 600 horsepower, so wrecks your grass quite easily, actually. Yeah. Quite stunning. So Hayden comes straight off the back of winning a 7th at Targo Valley. Why did I say 7? Oh my God, sorry. It's too many. It's way too many. So everyone give Hayden, he won't probably be able to hear you, but give him a round of applause. Incredible driver, amazing ambassador for New Zealand, holding the flag overseas in the WRC in the past and competing in international issues.
His organisation is now proudly based in this region. You can.
Here we go. So he's going to do another start here. The parade grounds never look so good, Al. That's just a very small taste of what Hayden's going to be doing this afternoon over in the dirt pit, Wanaka Power Sports dirt pit.
Jono's standing by. Sorry, Murph. We're about to hear from